Why does your scanner show the P0510 engine code? What does it mean? P0510 is a diagnostic trouble code for closed throttle position switch. This error code indicates it means your car's PCM has detected an abnormal voltage or improper position reading from the throttle sensor when your foot is entirely off the accelerator. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty idle or closed throttle switch, damaged wiring, corroded connections, incorrectly adjusted idle screw, failed ECM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Mitsubishi, and Peugeot. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.